Hello, and welcome to the video. In today's video, we are diving into something new and absolutely game-changing, the best tool for developers and businesses alike. Are you ready to discover this tool for software development? Meet AI Detector Code Pro, the ultimate solution for identifying AI-generated code and taking your projects to the next level. Whether you're a software consultant, a small business owner, or part of a development team, this tool is here to make your coding process smoother and more reliable. Let's start by creating the account on AI Detector Pro. Just click on Try it free and fill in your details. Now, verify your email to unlock full access to the dashboard and start using AI Detector Pro. Here, we are in the dashboard. It's simple and organized, with two main tabs, Reports and Projects, to keep everything at your fingertips. In the Reports tab, you can easily paste your code and instantly check whether it's AI-generated or human-written. Whether you are working in Java, C#, Python, JavaScript, or PHP, AI Detector Pro identifies code segments generated by AI models. It does not fix mistakes, but focuses on identifying AI-generated code accurately. In the Projects tab, you will find a list of all your completed projects. Right now, it is empty since we have not done anything yet. With the free plan, you can check code once per month. For unlimited access, you will need to upgrade to the Pro plan. I already have the Pro plan, so let's switch to it and check out a demo. I have two Java code samples, one AI-generated, and the other human-written. Let's start by checking the AI-generated code. Just click on New AI Scan. Now, let's copy the AI-generated code and paste it here. By default, Java is selected, so simply click on Analyze to start scanning. Now that the scanning is complete, we can see that it's 98% AI generated. Just click to view the full report. Here, the code highlighted in red is most likely AI generated. The code in orange is less likely to be AI generated, while the code in black is not likely to be AI generated at all. Now, let's go back to the dashboard and click to scan the human-written code. Copy the human-written code and paste it here. Click on Analyze to start scanning. Scanning is complete. Now, click to view the full report. Here, we can see that only 2% of the code is likely to be generated by AI. Now, let's explore the pricing plans of AI Detector Code Pro. It offers 4 plans. Choose the one that best matches your needs. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.